Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can set the power limitation to the induction hub Hisense. In the first step, let's turn on the appliance and hold the both front heating areas. As you can see, there we see on the display 7.2. This is a maximum power. If you want to increase or decrease it, click on the timer button, and now by the heating areas you can manage the power limitation. The 3.3, it's for example 2300 watts. You can set it manually to the maximum or just decrease it, and after that just turn off your appliance to save the settings. Click on the time and turn off your appliance. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or comment, and goodbye.